come join us to test out this new rear seat covers I got for her so she can be comfortable back there and also hit the trails to take some pictures of the Jeep while watching the sunset. Enjoy. Check how it is. There's nothing back here, and we're gonna change that because we have a dog, which is my girl, and she must go with me everywhere. And therefore, I bought this. And you guys are gonna get to see how she's gonna own this whole rear seat. This is how it comes. Now, let's get to business. There it goes in the middle. This is, I'm guessing, for this. Both the same. Yeah. So this is supposed to go in the handle that goes here, but in the Jeep you don't have that. So good question. Because it's not gonna be. Nah, yeah, it doesn't work. I guess we'll not be using the sight ones. We just have to root this thing on. Okay, sorry. For now. Now let's do the other side. Oh, here she comes. Time to try it out. She doesn't know it yet, but she will soon find out. Moment of truth. Ooh, it's a bit too high, huh? Oh, uh, uh, uh. Okay, oh. Oh. Now check it out. It's gonna take a little bit for her to adjust and get used to it, because it's definitely different from what she's used to. But we'll get there. Now let me know. What do you guys think? All right, so far this holding on there is working. So that's what we want to see, right? Huh? How you doing back there? Huh? Better behave. They're watching you. Yo, what are you doing? Dale para atrás. Hey, come on now. Dale, dale. Oh my God, bro. Jesus Christ, what are you doing? There's a reason why that net is there. Now go back.
Hicimos esto, todas las poses.
And here we are. We made it. after about 35-minute drive. It wasn't that far, but we're finally here. We're excited. And it's time to go into action. Managed to take some good pictures of the Jeep, and yeah, here they are. Take a look. What do you guys think? Vámonos. But look what she got. Oh my god. What is that? Jesus. It's time to head home. And you know I gotta let her loose a little bit. What's this? What do you brought there? Let me see. What's this? Where you got this from? No. No. This is mine now. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to support, please give a like, comment what do you guys think, subscribe so you don't miss future videos. But thank you. Much love from Brusya and I.